Samsung Galaxy S21 series launch is likely to be hosted on January 14, 2021. Under the latest Samsung flagship series, the company is expected to launch three new smartphones, namely the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. After leaking the complete specs sheet and design renders, the rumor mill has now revealed the Galaxy S21 series price ahead of the official launch. Samsung Galaxy S21 series price detail for the European markets have been leaked ahead of the official launch. As per the information provided by Ishan Agarwal, who has a great track record when it comes to leak, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 128GB variant will be priced at 1049 euros, roughly rupees 94,500. While the 256GB model will get a price tag of 1099 euros, roughly 99,000 rupees. The price of Samsung Galaxy S21 will be 849 euros, about rupees 76,000 for the 128GB storage option. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra price for the 128GB storage model will be 1,399 euros, roughly rupees 1,26,000. Of course, these prices will vary with local taxes. Agarwal has also shared a new Galaxy S21 Plus render showing the handset's design and colors. Earlier today, the leaked renders of Samsung Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra shared by Blas revealed the entire design of all three handsets on Thursday. The leaked renders show that the Samsung Galaxy S21 will come in four color options. That means gold, purple, white, and black. Apart from this, the handset can be seen with the triple camera setup at the back and a flat display with the center aligned hole punch design. And the volume rocker and power button can be seen on the right spine. While the Galaxy S21 Plus has a similar design as the standard Galaxy S21, the key differences between the two handsets will likely be in screen size and battery capacity. At the back, the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus will come with a triple camera setup. As per the Galaxy S21 leaked images, the camera module blends in with the aesthetics of the phone with the flash shifted to the side. The two smartphones will feature a 12 megapixel primary lens and 12 megapixel ultra wide lens and 64 megapixel telephoto camera at the back. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will come with an improved camera system. The premium smartphone will feature an improved 108 megapixel sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 3x optical telephoto and 10x optical super telephoto lens. Samsung is said to have added 130% larger pixels and dual pixel autofocus on both the 3x and 10x optical lens. The Ultra model is also likely to feature 100x space zoom and come with laser autofocus. Under the hood, the devices will run on Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100. Galaxy S21 Ultra is tipped to come with S Pen support. However, unlike the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, there will not be a dedicated slot for S Pen on Galaxy S21 Ultra. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. And if you want to know more about Samsung Galaxy S21 series, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.